After logging into your DirectoryHub dashboard, head to the directory you wish to edit and click on Manage Your Listings. From there, it's straightforward to add a listing. Just click Add Listing to access the new listing wizard. With the wizard, leverage our AI assistant to fill in the details. For instance, if you're adding a software listing, click on Import from URL and provide the website address. Let's say we choose to import CupCut. Click on Extract Data, and the AI assistant will gather and generate the necessary details for your listing. The system fills in the name, slug, short description, and full description. When selecting the category, choose one like Software Tools, type in the tags, and click Continue. It automatically fills in information such as the website address you entered. If a phone number or email address is found, it will populate those along with any social media links for the company. Click Continue and leave these blank if not needed. If there's a specific location for your listing, enter it for map template use. Click Continue. It will extract any available logos or images. You can also add a video if desired, then click Continue to finalize your listing. Scroll down to set the listing to publish and select a free plan. Save your changes to successfully add the listing. To view the listing, click on View Live. It opens in a new tab, allowing you to see the listing on your directory site. Thank you and have a great day.